see you again. Happy to see you. I'm happy to see you again.
Very happy to welcome you to the Elysees Palace today after the very good meeting we had when I came to the Abbey. I wanted first to welcome you, obviously, but as well to ask you to send my best regards and my friendship to the whole family and your father.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. It's always been very kind and supportive. In fact, I would like to once again, on behalf of our people and my government and all of us, to thank you, your government and your people for your continued support